Yep. Oh my God.
County of SLO has issued an evacuation warning due to a wildfire east of Harmony. The warning is for Zone SLCE 111, which is north of Villa Creek RD, south of Highway 46, and north and east of Highway 1. Be prepared to evacuate. ReadySLO.org/WEA for more information.
Faith was the Starship Enterprise. Over the next week, she
cancellation.
achieved warp factor 9.
I can't hear you. Amen. Let them hear you in heaven. Amen. Amen.
Despite his concerns over her sanity, my dad found a rock worthy of her faith garden.
Right over there.
Honey, it's a rock.
I know, but still.
Okay.
0106, and you're good to go. Music from Harry Styles now. This is Satellite.
Entirely true.
Coast as we head into tonight or tomorrow morning, and then as we work our way through the day, eventually that rain layer could start to creep back.
County of SLO has canceled the evacuation warning near Harmony due to the wildfire. Fire crews remain on scene, so please drive carefully in the area. For more information, ReadySLO.org.
Anular a más. Algo. Realmente a tu hermano. Y total. El presidente Joe Biden afirmó que tratará de trabajar con el que sea elegido, pero ambos en campaña ya lo están desafiando.
Right, don't see it, but the school is there, so I'm counting that one.
To see 90s to 8.
It's tough to overcome that.
Yeah. Both coming.
Track to be one of the top issues.
Warning near Harmony due to the wildfire. Fire crews remain on scene, so please drive carefully in the area. For more information,
Wait.
People call off work because
hold on. The scroll is showing on KSBY.
or something so they can bring in money.
The scroll is showing on KSBY.
I have a few suggestions. Book directly.
I don't know why the audio is not playing,
Try to
but
take an early morning flight. Download your airline's app. If problems do happen, know that you do have rights. Reach out to the airlines first.
This is very
If they
rare.
do not offer a meaningful resolution, you can file a complaint with the Department of Transportation.
canceled the evacuation warning near Harmony due to the wildfire. Fire crews remain on scene, so please drive carefully in the area. For more information, ReadySLO.org.
Succeeding, but
County of SLO has canceled the evacuation warning near Harmony due to the
you didn't know?
wildfire. Fire crews remain on scene, so please drive carefully in the area. For more information, ReadySLO.org.
Dispersing heat from your body. In fact, Dormeo's OctaSpring technology is 8 times more breathable than standard memory foam. That's how the Dormeo Topper delivers a whole new kind of immersive sleep experience you can only get on an OctaSpring. It's deep, rejuvenating sleep that many say is the best sleep of their life.
When I tried it on the first night, I couldn't actually believe it because I literally just melted into the thing.
It was very, very comfortable.
I get up the next morning and my back, hips, everything feels very good.
The first night I slept in it, I was in heaven. I was happy.
The Dormeo mattress topper is making such a difference, it's now the #1 mattress topper sold on TV. It's consistently ranked over 9 stars out of 10 on buyersguide.org for the best mattress toppers. And the prestigious Sleep Foundation selected the Dormeo topper as the best cooling topper for back pain and hip pain. Why spend a fortune on a new mattress when the Dormeo topper transforms your existing mattress into a luxurious sleeping surface? Now it's your chance to experience the premium mattress topper for yourself. It's available in all sizes. Act now, and for a limited time, we have a special TV offer. You'll save 30%. Call or go online now to see low payment options for your size bed. It gets even better. Act now, and you'll get free shipping. That's right, free shipping. You'll also receive free the special Better Sleeping Guide from International Sleep.
To have it on nice sunset like this too is amazing. Appreciate that small town California beauty. Screw Los Angeles.
Harmony due to the wildfire. Fire crews remain on scene, so please drive carefully in the area. For more information, readyslow.org. In the area.
Over the past year and a half, this one really stands out as potentially one of the most deadly attacks against civilians with over 50.
Warning near Harmony due to the wildfire. Fire crews remain on scene.
Wow, what a fail.
For more information, readyslow.org.
I probably won't be here. I'll tell them I'll hang it outside on the door. If I leave, I can put it up there. Put it in a bag.
Well, yeah.
Want to see the horror of this war, and increasingly it appears that Ukraine's fate, it's a